Welcome to Sea Savvy Trivia for a new quiz. Can you guess in which country these marine creatures can be found? They are organized from easy to hard. Don't forget to subscribe for more quizzes. Let's start with the easy level. Let's go. Where can you find great white sharks? In A, Denmark, or B, New Zealand? Answer B, New Zealand. Which country is known for its Galapagos Islands and marine iguanas? A, Mexico, or B, Ecuador? Answer B, Ecuador. Where can you find polar bears and beluga whales? In A, Canada, or B, Russia? Answer A, Canada. Which country is famous for its Komodo dragons and coral reefs? A, Indonesia, or B, Thailand? Answer A, Indonesia. Where can you find African penguins and great white sharks? In A, South Africa, or B, Kenya? Answer A, South Africa. Which country is known for its orcas? A, Sweden, or B, Norway? Answer B, Norway. Which country is known for its loggerhead sea turtles? A, United States, or B, Mexico? Answer B, Mexico. Where can you find the Sea of Okhotsk and stellar sea lions? In A, Russia, or B, Japan? Answer A, Russia. Next level, a little harder. You've got this. Which country is known for its Caribbean sea and marine turtles? A, Barbados, or B, Jamaica? Answer B, Jamaica. Where can you find the Red Sea and dugongs? In A, Saudi Arabia, or B, Egypt? Answer B, Egypt. Which country is home to the Amazon River and Pink River dolphins? A, Brazil, or B, Peru? Answer A, Brazil. Where can you find the Sea of Cortez and humpback whales? In A, Costa Rica, or B, Mexico? Answer B, Mexico. Which country is known for its Galapagos Islands and blue-footed boobies? A, Peru, or B, Ecuador? Answer B, Ecuador. Where can you find Dall's porpoises? In A, Japan, or B, South Korea? Answer A, Japan. Which country is known for having whale sharks? A, Malaysia, or B, Thailand? Answer B, Thailand. Which country is known for its Canary Islands and bottlenose dolphins? A, Spain, or B, Portugal? Answer A, Spain. Level hard, things are getting serious. Keep going. Where can you find the Okavango Delta and African manatees? In A, Botswana, or B, Angola? Answer A, Botswana. Where can you find the Gulf of California and vaquita porpoises? In A, Mexico, or B, the United States? Answer A, Mexico. Which country is famous for its Faroe Islands and puffins? A, Iceland, or B, Denmark? Answer B, Denmark. Where can you find the Baltic Sea and gray seals? In A, Germany, or B, Sweden? Answer A, Germany. Which country is known for its North Island and Hector's dolphins? A. New Zealand or B. Australia? Answer A. New Zealand. Which country is known for its great sandy desert and whale sharks? A. Australia or B. Malaysia? Answer A. Australia. Where can you find the Scotia Sea and Antarctic fur seals? In A. Argentina or B. Chile? Answer B. Chile. Which country is known for its Chagos Archipelago and coconut crabs? A. Mauritius or B. British Indian Ocean Territory? Answer B. British Indian Ocean Territory. Bonus round. Last question, stay focused. Where can you find the Kermadec Trench and deep-sea anglerfish? In A. New Zealand or B. Tonga? Answer A. New Zealand. Thank you for playing Guess the Country. Did you guess all the questions right? Let us know in the comments.